Greetings, I am Fire Lotus, and welcome back to my page, and welcome to my page. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that bell icon so you get all the notifications of when I post and or go live. So, disclaimer, if you do not like Southern Conjure or anything involving that, go ahead and click on another video. This is not the video for you today. I got a request to do a tutorial and a little video on how I make Poppets. So, with that being stated, I'm going to start this off with, go to Dollar General when you can. They sell polymer clay. That polymer clay is actually really good and can be used in magic multiple ways. The way that I like to use it is, depending on the type of poppet you are making, grab some herbs and burn them, as long as they're safe to burn them and get that ash and mix it in with the clay, and then you can either make a mold of like a moon face or a doll face, and or order one from Amazon, or do like I did and just make one from hand. Press it in there and then follow the directions on the packaging to bake that polymer clay. Once you do that, you'll construct it. Now, I'm about to show you one. I'm not going to tell you the route that I used, but I will show you how I did it and what I made. This is the one that I made. This is polymer clay with the ash in it, fully baked, and then I used a full root. And then I got some fabric and kind of connected these together. I did use glue. You know, you can use pine sap if you want to. I could eventually make a video on that, but it will be a while from now. Florida is in a drought, and we've got 3 wildfires breaking out right now, so we're no burn zone. And you need to do that outside, not inside, with the pine wax. But anyways, yeah, this is the first one. Now, you can also use poke root. Now, pokeberry root or poke root. Pokeberry is the plant. You can use that root, but it is toxic. Okay, so do not digest it. Do not let kids and or pets digest it either. It's extremely toxic. What you'll do is you'll collect that. You can either just set it out in the sun in a dry spot for like weeks or months to fully dry that out, or turn your oven on the lowest setting, pop it in there on a rack, on a pan, in the oven for probably about an hour to 2 hours until it's fully dried out. It will have a smell to it. I personally like it. Some don't, so take that in order as well. Now, what I'm about to show you is the traditional way that I learned how to make poppets. If you do not like that, then I'm sorry. Go somewhere else. You know, I'm not trying to be mean, but there we go. Okay, so you are going to go get Spanish moss from your front yard. Now, then you're going to get sticks. Depending on your purpose of this, depending on the tree that you should match it with. This right here is oak. And it is simple as this. You're going to stick it through. There are multiple ways of doing this, but you're going to stick it through. I did that wrong. You're basically essentially going to make a cross. And then you're going to wrap that. Start a good base. Now, also watch it with this stuff right here, because it could have bugs or a number of things in it. So be careful collecting it. You can also collect this from a graveyard. It has a lot of protective properties as well. You can add herbs to this. You could add wax if you want to. But this is the traditional way that I learned how to make poppets. Now, like I said, you could add fabric or colors to these. You could add herbs. You could use vines. But yeah, a simple and effective way of making a poppet using everything that you have in your yard. So yeah, if you would like more of these videos, just drop some video some videos that you'd like to see down in the comments. If you've learned a different way, let me know in the comments. So yeah, I hope you like this. If you'd like to see more of these videos, just let me know and I will definitely make some more. I'm still trying to get the oil, and as soon as I get the carrying oil that I need, I will be making a couple of oil recipes. So yeah, until then, like this, share this, comment, tell me what you'd like to see next, and until then, peace. Love you all.